So in this video, we're looking at anxious attachment and what that's when connection feels fragile. Anxious attachment forms when care is inconsistent or unpredictable. And the nervous system for the child, the nervous system learns to stay alert to signs of abandonment. And it may be sometimes mothers are ill when they give birth, or it's been such a difficult birth they perhaps need stitches, or they've hemorrhaged, or there's some medical procedure needs to happen, and it's so this none of this is about anybody's fault, but the baby picks up the disturbance or disruption, and the nervous system learns to stay alert to signs of abandonment, as I say. In adulthood, this can show up as overthinking and reassurance seeking or fear of rejection. And then these behaviors reflect a deep desire for closeness, not neediness. People call it neediness, but it's not neediness. It's a desire for closeness. Um, so, so just I would encourage you to follow on with these short videos and the journaling exercises and the inquiry that comes from them, because you'll become more aware and less judgmental of yourself and more self-accepting. So answering the questions, when do you feel most anxious about connection? Um, what triggers fear of being left or forgotten? Just think about the last time you felt that fear of being rejected or forgotten. What was the trigger? And then look at what was your earliest recollection of that happening. Now, for some of you, perinatal, around the time of birth, you wouldn't necessarily remember it, but your body remembers it, your psyche remembers it. So look at, how do you seek reassurance when you feel unsafe? How do you seek reassurance? So just keep journaling as we go through the videos. They're only short little questions. And take the time to sit with yourself and tune in and notice the thoughts, the feelings, the sensations, and be patient with yourself and get to know yourself. And when you get to know yourself and you learn how to know yourself, you'll get to know other people. So I'll see you in the next video when we look at avoidant attachment. Bye for now.